before then, Enra, na meka simbi ewa efa DVLA issues by a foreign license renewal ho asem no a ebae no. Na mebo voice bi kyerɛ Emma confirm initially na the DVLA CEO Julius Neequaye Kotey deny no watch say Joy News etwantro na me expose ni hama wu say enye ntro ne mumɛ no kre later ho nsɛm ne ba abɔnten no wo bekirim say okay o masa asesa ho adwene na omo ye ne foforo me pese otie biem na afi BBS
DVLA staff, you are traveling overseas to go provide services in 5 countries outside the US, Canada, Netherlands, UK, and Germany. And I see you are smiling. I will add you, don't worry. So that is the service we are going to provide. We've gotten approval by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and this is what we are going to do for our Ghanaians staying abroad. They don't need to come down to come and renew their 1-year license which has expired. They will be there and we'll be doing it for them. So that is the service we are going to provide. We've gotten approval by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and this is what we are going to do.
And I quote him, we've gotten approval from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now, Osha statement or the Bayanrana or Sa Ekaibim say Omwenya approval from Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now, Foreign Affairs Ministry, Okujocha Blakwa Ministry, no, Omo de Krataba. And Foreign Affairs Ministry deny say Omo no Omonko Enya Nkitahudie bia, and that is on Facebook. Be read you Facebook and down. And also purported extension of DVLA services abroad. 26 February and Rayado Mutrokrate. Now, besame kind second paragraph now. Also, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs wishes to state categorically that it has neither issued a directive to our diplomatic missions abroad nor granted approval to any entity for such an arrangement. And OSHA first paragraph now is talking about DVLA license renewal and that thing now on Netherlands, United Kingdom, Germany, now Emra and which you know DVLA krata ebisa abontia Neequaye Kotey issue statement watch say Oma taking note of public reaction following Oma announcement say foreign license renewal number. In view of that Omo as science atraye Omo hwe other alternatives Omo de bedi dwuma na we nyina me read ye nyina tie mu no na me bisa me ho say, is this person really a leader? Because we are penny, we be chantro clearly. We be chantro clearly. Our public say one kasa. Now you have been exposed. Say some no kind. You are exposed where we are. What the statement is bad. The statement is bad. In case first of all, say we bugana for unibibi. Se we bugana for ka statement ye ban. It should contain first of all an apology. Se we di kai beka said ye wo kai no kra wanka. Na what site an institution so wo twantro mi was wo kai. Kese apology ewum. Na nim de ntia make we no. Because I've seen NDC communicators be any mpanimfo be including some ministers of state. Woman back in the abanti she some Zata George, and I'm not surprised some George will do this. Oh, she say, so she in crying, so born a basu the proud son of the land. God don't be fair, be nim gano dear. Be fair, yeah, or so said the what church no mabe. I just say he wants the guy to feel so. And you say, I said, the why you know she on trust na on con. Just say, so we will be a Sam George, you were a minister. You could have advised him, say, Charlie, I don't know what by any day. What be trying to attract the public? I'm a minister for foreign affairs. Class I released statement from the ministry. Say, what was I trying to in the ministry? No, so because one ma approval agreement bi anko so. 81 who can try to join you so. 2 what can try to foreign affairs ministry so. This is not something that is plausible. Enya dey say boy ensema. First of all, second statement na dey ba no. It should have contained an apology as a CEO, as a leader of an agency of government. So see so normal way so na politics in TV, sa arrogance of power no. Enemene Nhyira change akon be di nkomo. Enu bi ka ho. Wo mo report no mbezo mo di betu dwa no. Enu bi ka ho. Ene na omuti opposition. Edi mo de mo nto so. Sa abre ne ye ka wo ha se ya, wo mo se NDC fo aboye pa. NDC fo so be ka se MPP fo aboye pa. But ye kire mo se ne mo ye nya ne be ka wa ha wo. Wo ye papa nso e bebo abaso. This is wrong. This is wrong. What can trust the public? And Julius Neequaye Kotey, if you have something to do, just apologize to Ghanaians. That's the best thing you can do. Ebe clear when him and John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. One year, some of these your appointees on. Ombema will say si from our legacy yano. Ebe ye bibi tantan Ghana fo be full rough. Women never Ghana fo be full no. I'm telling you. Some crofo say never Ghana fo be full cra. Sheriye. Na me say sa no ma obey no. They say you must say we be na masie. Crofo bi wo ha. They don't need to continue. Me wie masem.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5
Mamema Nhyira.
Some of you, the DVLA staff, you are traveling overseas to go and provide services in 5 countries outside the US, Canada,